In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recharge your Opal card online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Recharging your Opal card online at any time is an extremely simple process. I recommend that you do it through their website at transportnsw.info, but keep in mind that you can also do this process through the latest version of their mobile app. Regardless of which option you choose, the website that I just mentioned or the mobile app, you will be able to load it up with balance online. Once you visit either of these pages, either the website or the app, you will find the option to top up. Usually it is going to be under the tickets and Opal section, or for the mobile app, just select the specific Opal card attributed to your account that you would like to load up with balance, and you will find the option to recharge it there. Now, of course, your cards need to be registered and activated, so if for some reason you haven't done that process already, make sure that you visit the registration and activation option first. Usually it is going to be displayed alongside the top-up options, as you can see right here. You will have to include your card number, security code, and an optional nickname to the card to register it to your account and activate it using any credentials that are asked. Once you have this process done, you can now load it up with balance. To top up your Opal card, sign in with the username or email that you just used to register your card and the password. Through this page, you will be able to load it up with however much balance you want to have, and as long as you include a valid payment method accepted by the website or mobile app, you will be able to have it loaded up with balance ready to use physically. Now, you have other options here, which usually link to physical locations. So as you can see, you can go to Opal retailers and load it up over the counter if you prefer. But since the purpose of this video is to show how to load it up with balance online, I'm only going to highlight the website and the travel app that you can find on the Play Store and the App Store. Just sign in using your credentials and you will be able to have your Opal card topped up with balance through this page. I hope I was able to help you on how to recharge Opal card online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.